I think that, we go through these waves from time to time where there'll be like a police scandal. And, there are certain times when the police are very popular, and the fact that a cop says something, the jury might be, tempted to take it as gospel truth. And then there's other times when the police aren't as popular and their juries get skeptical. But I think most cases, Joe, in court get decided by evidence, and people are pretty commonsensical. So, if you try to make a case just by a bunch of innuendo, and when you look hard at it, the evidence isn't there, people are not going to get convicted in those cases, whether they like the cops or don't like the cops, or whether they're suspicious of the politicians or they trust them. I guess they never trust them, right? But, most cases get decided by evidence in court, and people are, we're very lucky in this country that we have a jury system instead of having things decided by like panels of experts, because people, you bring the common sense of the community into the courtroom. They hear the case and they want to know, what happened, how can you prove it, and why did it happen? Like, does it make sense? And most of the time they come to the right decision.
Yeah, you know what? It's true. Now, getting along those lines, Andy McCarthy, if I may, federal judges, this guy Boasberg, blocking everything. I mean, it's getting out of hand. The regular people say, okay, you got criminals on a plane. You're going to ship them out. They're from, Trente, Aragua. They're known criminals. They have criminal records. They're shipping them out. And then the judge goes, no, you can't do it. It's like, oh my gosh. And then you heard Pam Bondi. We played General Bondi on the Maria Bartiromo show yesterday, where she said, we're watching these cases and we're going to go right to the Supreme Court with these things. But that seems to be getting out of hand, because these are politically placed judges, it seems, U.S. district judges who think they have too much power. Do they have the power to do it? Are they there for a political blockade? And I guess it works on both sides, Andy McCarthy, but it's frustrating to a lot of Americans, I know.
Yeah, well, I think that